texting, Facebook, Twitter, Google, all feed our fundamental human need to connect.
Shine in the dark places. Let in the world your light.
I wonder what it's like in outer space. Yeah, no. Yay! You're so sad.
Why was our show about eyes this year? Well, I'll take you eye to eye to explain this to you. We begin with Bill, our caption head. He writes all this music that's copyrighted, but we need the copyright cleared so we can play the legal notes. But what's a bill and a legal note have in common? This dollar. And just so happens that on the back of this dollar, there's an Illuminati symbol. And what do Bill and the Illuminati both have in common? Power. Power that ranges within their field of control. So if you think about it, Bill has control over our school, which is located right there.
What are you doing?
If you try to look cool, you look stupid. If you look stupid, then you're cool.
Alright, so if I just went like